Hey everybody, welcome to Swallow This by TC Mahone Quick Bites. I'm Mr. Mann. Today we're going to be making an all-time favorite. That's something that's great for any occasion, crab dip. So go ahead and sit back, take notes, and since you're here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Okay, in the bowl you're going to add your cream cheese, your mayonnaise, your yellow mustard and Dijon mustard, your lemon juice, Worcestershire, garlic powder, Old Bay, hot sauce, and you're going to mix it well. Now here you're going to add your crab meat and mix that in. And here you add a half a cup of shredded cheese and fold that in. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more recipes like this. And hit that like and share and leave a comment. And you're going to bake the crab mix for 10 minutes at 450 degrees. Take it out and top with more cheese. And you're going to bake until the cheese is melted. And there you have it, delicious crab dip. This goes great with any toasted bread of your choice. Bon appetit, enjoy.